P2EP, Productivity and Performance Enhancement Platform, Customer Management System. For any business, customers are the key to your success. And over a period of time, we would have collected a lot of business cards, a lot of contacts we would have acquired, and also we would have acquired a lot of customers through order closures. But are we really able to manage these customers in a proper way? For example, when we launch a new product, these existing customers and these existing contacts will be our very powerful prospects. But if we are not able to manage these or maintain these customers properly, we lose out on this greatest opportunity and we still go out and search for new clients. So that is why we call this as treasure hunt. We already have this treasure with us. Over a period of time, we have managed to gather all the information, but probably we have failed to maintain it in a proper way. So now P2EP provides a very efficient and very simple method to manage this customer database. Yes, customer management, add new customer module, wherein you will be entering the customer name, main phone number, an account number will be automatically generated for the customer, and any additional contact number can be entered, contact name, the type of the customer based on your business, his email ID, website, GST number, location can be either region or beats as per your business, and the complete address details of the customer, street 1, street 2, area, landmark, city, state, zip code, country. And delivery method, for each and every customer there could be a different mode of delivery. Probably they would be in particular about a particular parcel service or lorry service or whatever transport that we are using. That can be managed here so that we do not mess around during the logistics session. And the category of the customer, whether he is a new customer, existing customer or a competitor. Vertical. These verticals are based on the type of customers that your business will be doing, and every customer can be assigned to a salesperson. So this helps us to manage or track the salesperson's activities also. Apart from that, if the customer is an organization and the organization has a lot of departments, and you would have to maintain the different contacts in that organization. So for that we have the contact management. So for this particular customer you can add different contacts of different departments also, so that multiple contacts can be maintained for the same customer. So in this way it gives us a lot of flexibility to manage the customer. Okay, now we have added the customer and we have added the contacts. Now based on the contact number or based on the location, we will be able to search the customer. So whenever a new inquiry comes, we will be able to search based on the contact number. When you give a search, automatically when he is an existing customer, it shows here, and you can generate an inquiry or quote or a direct order for this particular customer. So it becomes very easy for us. We need not, when an inquiry comes in, we need not ask him about the details again and again. If he is already an existing customer with us, we have the details in our hand. And the major important thing about this system is, wherever you are, since the system is on the cloud, wherever you are, you will be able to search for the customer and find out the details at any point in time. So this is about the customer management. Hope you all liked it, and if you want a demo, please call 861-019-2560, and tomorrow I will be posting few more functionalities of this P2EP software. Thank you.